Modesto, we're UTL on the street. I'm going to go to RB's house.
I got you.
He's sitting in a car?
I went to the porch, tell him to come home. Yeah, no, he's laying in the gas next to the gray car. Tell him wait for the porch and come home.
No. Says he's in the grass by that car. I think your husband wants you to go home.
Yeah, I just parked here.
Go ahead. There he is. Hi, sir. Hey, don't move, okay? Hey, put that down. Put that down. Barry 73, one at gunpoint, uncooperative. Put that down. Put that down or you're going to get tased. You're going to get tased. Put it down, man. Put it down. 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 Down. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. You got comms? He's shot. He's shot. He's tased, right? Yep. He's tased and shot.
Oh, good. Okay. Who shot?
Me.
Okay. All right. Come on over here. Come on over here. Let go of the tree. Let go of the tree. Let go of the tree. Come on. Let go of the tree.
We have a 141 Maryland route. Are they clearing?
Got him. Yep. I got the arm. Hey, don't move, okay?
Hey, put that down. Put it down. Hey, put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. And I'll tell you again. Taser, taser, taser. Put it down. Put it down.
Put it down.
Put it down.
Put it down. Down. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. You got calm?
Yep. Yep.
He shot. He shot.
Mary 71, AMR code 3.
He's tased, right?
Yep.
What's in shot?
Oh, good. Okay. Who shot? Me. Okay.
Okay. Take him out. Come on over here. Come on over here. Let go of the tree. Let go of the tree. Let go of the tree. Come on. Let go of the tree.
Copy, we have a 141 Maryland route. Are they clearing?
Yep.
Yeah, permanent.
I got the arm.
All right. You got.
Put it down. Down. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now.